I don't think I have to tell you all the horror stories that I've heard, that my clients have heard, that even some of my clients have experienced before they came to us. It's so easy to be one of those statistics. I really encourage you to do your homework and your part in finding out what role you have in having a successful project. Following the process. And it sounds like such a simple thing, doesn't it? But you would be surprised. You're going to spend the next year of your life with them. Are they managing the timeline? And are they managing the expectations? Are they managing a design for you that is in line with what you are willing to invest? Are they getting permits? Starting construction on time? Working every day? Do they have a calendar? When there is a change order, how is it handled? Is there a process? If a company doesn't have a process for such a complex procedure, I would encourage you to run. A remodel could be the most impactful thing you ever experience in a really, really negative way. Or it could be another one of your experiences that resulted in a really great outcome.